The Motivated Seller module allows you to build a list of absentee homeowners, vacant homeowners, high-equity properties, and more. It's found in the left-hand menu and under the Build a List box. First, select which forms of contact info you want: phone numbers, emails, both, or a simple mailing list for a direct mail campaign. If you're doing a direct mail campaign, consider targeting by mailing address so that your mail pieces arrive at the primary residence. Next, choose the geographic area of properties to target. Check to make sure your state or county is eligible to find motivated sellers. To select a county, click the County section and input your state. Select from the counties below and move it over to the right-hand box. To target by zip code, enter the zip code into the box below. Click Continue or the Demography tab to proceed. Choose between landline, cell phones, or whatever is available. Check the DNC scrub box to remove Do Not Call numbers from your list. Go back to the previous page if you need to change your criteria. This is a good time to save your list so you can access it later. Target one or more motivated seller categories and bring them over. In this case, the OR option will include absentee or vacant properties. If you're looking for properties that are both absentee and vacant, choose the AND option. Further demographic options such as property type and credit rating are below. The Suppression tab is used to prevent records you have already purchased from being in your new list. Select your past list or upload your own to suppress. Now let's run the count. Your search results are here, and the price for this list is down here. If you need, type in a smaller quantity of records in the Order Quantity box, and your price will adjust accordingly. View a sample of the format of your new list and what's included. Phone numbers are in the far right corner. If you need to return to your list later, find Save Counts in the far left corner. Click Show and continue through. Click Add Credits to add money to your balance. Now you're ready to download your list.